So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add emojis to a video here on InShot. So here's my wonderful video right here. If I wanted to add some emojis to it, it's very simple. This bar right here, go ahead and press on stickers, and then go ahead and press on sticker right here. Once you guys are here, you guys can select the emoji tab just like this, where you can go ahead and add an emoji. So if I wanted to add the clown emoji as an example, I can add the clown emoji. If I wanted to add, I don't know, the cowboy hat emoji, go ahead and add that. That's my beautiful emojis. Press on the check mark right here. So if I were to go ahead and play the video, as you guys can tell, the emojis are now added to the video. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add emojis to a video here on InShot. I guess another way you can add it as well is press on text right here. Go ahead and select an emoji. So if I want this one right here, I can go ahead and do that. Press on the check mark, play the video, and then the emoji's added once again to the video. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add emojis to a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.